Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now friends, let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, then you will totally be amazed, entertained by today's video collection, because in this video I will be sharing very pretty, very mesmerizing, eye-catching, stylish and amazing ideas of handmade, hand-knitted, warm wool crochet baby hats. Yes, these designs are awesomely amazing. They are tricky but easy to make, and they are highly designer style design ideas. Yes friends, you have heard it right. All of these designs are very pretty and they are very unique. They represent a latest, very new, upcoming trendy idea, that is 3D hand knitted hats. All of these are hairstyle inspired hats, and the favorite cartoon characters, Disney characters, princess characters of your kids are kept in mind while designing them. Long hairstyle based, 3D traditional, different style of haircut based, warm wool handed crochet hats, head warmers have been shared in this video. So friends, very pretty and eye-catching, amazing color combination have been used to give you exactly pretty and exquisite ideas, so that you face no difficulty for making or some having or creating some new design ideas. And friends, not only your kids but teenagers, young girls and adults could also wear these and could look trendy and stylish at the same time. Frozen characters, highly famous and popular Elsa, Anna style patterns have been used to design these hats, baby head warmers. You can use any sort of thick, medium or thin wool to make these patterns, so your goods would look classy and stylish at the same time. And all of these are designer hats, and you can make them in a very low cost by sitting in your homes. As you know that COVID-19, which has been termed as a very pandemic and dangerous situational virus that is affecting very widely and fastly the whole human community, so it is best for us to stay home, so to save ourselves and remain healthy. So by remaining in your homes, it is an idea or a best activity to keep yourselves entertained by utilizing your free leisure time into making a very pretty and creative activity. As you have seen that this granny patterns are very amazing and they look like a grandma hair styles, but they are totally made up of wool and they are warm. I hope by watching this entire collection you will get whole amazing and pretty ideas that how you can keep your kids warm and stylish, cute and attractive at the same time. Those hats into which hair braids have been made, or typically hairs or hairstyles have been adopted, you can also change the color of the wool to according to your choices to entertain yourself as per your requirements, or you can match it exactly with the hair color of your babies or girls. So thank you so much friends for watching my today's video. If you really like my video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care, stay connected, keep supporting us and keep loving us as you always have been. So with this, allow me to leave. And if you want to get creative and amazing ideas related to women fashion like hand art, a wide variety of crochet designing, hand embroidery, machine embroidery, gota work, mirror work, silk ribbon embroidery, fabric painting and much more, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And many other trendy, fashionable women wear, dresses, footwear, handbags, girls fashionable accessories and much more. So stay tuned. Stay blessed. We will soon be back. with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care.